Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal Credit Card, secure access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.navyfederal.org and press enter. This will take you to the Navy Federal Credit Union homepage. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see options for different types of accounts. Select credit cards from the list. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check the information to ensure it's entered correctly. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username Password link for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your login information. Once you've correctly entered your username and password, click on the Login button. After a moment, you should be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your account balances, transactions, and other information. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or try again later. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if prompted. You are now successfully logged in to your Navy Federal credit card account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.